everybody, and today what I have for you is 2x2 cube disassembly and reassembly. So let's get to the video. So first what you want to do is grab your Phillips head screwdriver and unscrew it. And make sure that the spring is still in the screwdriver, because if you take the spring off and lose it, it's broken forever. So, yep, you do that, then line all the colors up, blue on the bottom, line white with the white, and blue on the bottom. You have to keep the blue on the bottom, and this is what it will look like. Then put the pieces in. The center square piece goes in there. Slide it in, and then slide all the other pieces in until you get something looking like this. Then you take this piece, bring it up, and boom. You just disassembled and reassembled a cube. Now to rescrew it. And we're done. So, that's how you disassemble and reassemble a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. Well, speed version for beginners. Watch my video on 3-cube set. Comes with the 2x2, 3x3, and a pyramid. Make sure you watch that video, and see you next time. Bye!